So we managed to get our hands on 18 rare historical releases from Compass Box Whiskey. If you don't know about Compass Box, you should fix that right now. Stop, pause, Google them. I'll wait. Okay, you're back. If you didn't do that, the short version is they are one of the world's premier blending companies, creating truly astounding Scottish whiskey blends. We are tasting 8 different historical bottles from Compass Box, and we are going to auction off 10 historical bottles from Compass Box. We're going to follow a 2-hour tasting with a multiple course meal, and then we're going to follow that with a hangout in the vault where you get to choose a dram of your choice, and we'll spend the evening hanging out together. We're going to be joined by official representative from Compass Box, Stephen Caronna, who's going to walk us through the 8 whiskey tasting. Now, we're limiting this to 40 people. That's it, because that's all I can fit in the room down here, and it still be fun. We are going to offer the first 14 people who want one the room on campus. It's $1,000 to attend the event, $1,500 if you want to stay on campus the night of the event. This tasting is Saturday, January 18th, which means you could buy it for a Christmas present. It is per person, so if 2 of you are coming, you both have to buy a ticket. If one of you is going to get a room on campus, you only have to pay for one of those, and then have the other person pay for the lower ticket price, but you can stay together in your room on campus. All of the money that we raise from this event is going to Wizard Academy, which means that the ticket price for this event is tax deductible, assuming you're a U.S. citizen. Below in the description, click the link to sign up for this event. On that landing page, you're going to see a list of the whiskeys that we're going to get to try at the tasting and the 10 whiskeys that we're going to put up for auction. We can't wait to see you there. Cheers.